Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are talking about beautiful crochet blouse and top designs. Crochet fashion is stylish, comfortable and handmade with love. Crochet blouses and tops are perfect for summer, casual outings, vacations and even special occasions. Let's explore some lovely crochet ideas. First we have the simple crochet blouse. This design is light, soft and easy to wear. It looks beautiful with jeans, skirts or trousers. Simple crochet blouses are perfect for everyday fashion. Next is the lace crochet top. Lace patterns look delicate and elegant. Small open stitches make the top breathable and comfortable for warm weather. White and pastel lace tops look especially beautiful in summer. Another popular style is the boho crochet top. Boho fashion is relaxed and creative. These tops often have loose shapes, colorful patterns, tassels or fringes. They give a trendy and modern look. Now let's talk about the crochet crop top. This style is short, stylish and fun. Many young women love crochet crop tops because they look fashionable and perfect for summer outfits. We also have the off-shoulder crochet blouse. This design gives a soft and feminine look. It is perfect for beach trips, vacations and casual parties. Off-shoulder styles always look elegant and stylish. Another lovely idea is the full sleeve crochet blouses. This style looks classy and graceful. The sleeves often have beautiful patterns that make the blouse look rich and delicate. Now let's talk about colors. Natural shades like white, cream, beige and grey with a soft and elegant look. Bright colors like yellow, pink, blue and red make crochet tops look cheerful and eye-catching. Crochet tops are also special because they are handmade and unique. Every piece has its own beauty and creativity. If you enjoy crochet, you can even create your own designs at home. Accessories can make the outfit even more stylish. Simple jewelry, handbags and stylish sandals with crochet fashion is perfect. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.